Atungata aya arwaru marauga mandikanire kandarathi na thibitari wa Pumwani uria ukoragwo rungu rwa thirikari ya Nairobi mweri wa gatandatu mwaka muthiru na makoretwo matekwamukira mushara wao gwa kahinda ka mieri ina makiuga makoretwo magikungio wara ati mishara ni igutumwo undu uria utakinyanagira.
Tukiingira contract huko Pumwani Maternity Hospital nio magirwo ni guturiha na mbeca iria monaga kuma kwa NHF na Linda Mama. No riria twokire magitwira namba itu nene na muno magituriha mieri 3 ina magitwira namba itu ne ingiha muno na matingihota gukorwo magituriha magitwikia gwi thirikari ya county nigetha iturihe tondu mbeca citu ne nyingi no kuma hindi ria matwikirie gwi thirikari ya county matihotete gukorwo magituriha kuma November.
Maugite undu ni urituhitie miturire yao kuona mushara niguo makoragwo mehokete mahuthiro-ine mao muthenya.
Kutopata mshahara imeni affect sana, unapata kulipa nyumba ni stress, kuketa for your basic needs kama kununua chakula, fare ni stress. Unapata ukikuja kazi you have to work.
Watoto ninao wawili wamefukuzwa shuleni, siwezi lipa fees. Kila mahali hata mchango nyumbani, frustrations zimeingia, majukumu ni mingi.
Riu morotete urugamiriri wa thibitari ino ni kumauma kihoto kiao oriri urugamiriri wa thibitari wa Pumwani ugite gutire mugomo utafanitio na arwaru no marathie na mbere na gutungatwo hatari muhinga o wothe.
Na kuma November ni matwirite o maita megukinya matano ni megaturiha after every 2 weeks, after every week na matihote gukorwo magikinyaniria kiriko kiao.
Tumekuwa tukiona memos mingi, tuende kujua kwa hakika kwamba hizo memos ni za ukweli na kwa nini wanatufanya hivi.
I'm clarifying that there's no strike in Pumwani. The government as nurses, the county government nurses who are working. Mothers are being seen. Our labor ward is ongoing. The operations as usual. These are the casuals we engage whenever we have a shortage in our duty rotas for the nurses to come and cover the gap.
No ona kuri uguo atungata aya arwaru ni merirwo kwamukira mushara wao kahinda o gothe kuma riu ni arugamiriria thibitari wa Pumwani.
The process of payment is ongoing at the county government. We forwarded the list of those nurses and doctors, and any time from today they receive their money in their bank accounts.
Thutha wa amwe arigitani a thibitari wa Pumwani gukorwo magitwara makaya mao kuri thirikari ya county, riu kiuria kinene hihi ni kana kiriro kiao ni gikuiguika na marihwo mishara yao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi thibitari wa Pumwani county ya Nairobi, njitagwo Bio wa Wambui.